Hello ka-vlog! We are here in Tagaytay and our goal for today is to find the historical shrine in the Tagaytay and the part of Cavite. And the history behind and chosen historical shrine is... Alam mo ba kung saan nagmula ang salitang Tagaytay? So, ang Tagaytay ay nagmula sa Taga at Itay. So, ang Taga ay which means to cut. And Itay naman, ibig sabihin nun ay father. So, this is the name of the story of father and yung kanyang anak. Na kung saan ay chinish siya ng boar and because of the suddenly attack. 41 Division Memorial Shrine! Philippine Revolution. One of the Tagaytay became a refuge and a hideout for revolutionaries in 1986. So, pay attention and makinig kayo sa akin. So, one of the most near in Tagaytay City Hall is the 41 1st Division Memorial Shrine in September 1 and December 1941. On August 28, we also have in 1941 the 41 1st Division called the Philippine Army. This history we need to protect serves as guide for Philippines and guiding present and future plans and appreciating national heroes' achievements and developing national identity and nationalism by marking graves, sites, and significant events.
1945, it was the day that the U.S. Major General Joseph Swing's 511th Parachute Regiment of the 11th Airborne Division landed on Tagaytay Ridge and raced down toward Manila. It was part of the continuing campaign for the liberation of the island of Luzon and the entire Philippines from enemy occupation during World War II. The first airborne landing is marked by a monument placed in 1951.
And here we are.
Hello everyone, I'm Rose, and today we're going to take a journey through time and explore the rich history of General Trias and the story behind the shrine of Mariano. Hello everyone, I'm Rose, and today we're going to take a Hello everyone, I'm Rose, and today we're going to take a journey through time and explore the rich history of General Trias and the story behind the shrine of. And here we are at the shrine